Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we'll be discussing about the metadata to ensure proper interpretation and correct search engine indexing. Both the language and the character encoding meta charset is equal to charset should be defined as early as possible in your HTML document. For instance, immediately after our doc type HTML, we are having HTML opening and closing tag. Immediately after the HTML opening tag, we are having our head tag, head opening and closing tag. Immediately after our opening head tag, we are having our meta. We should have our what? Our metadata, our meta tag, and this one should be the first one we are having right here is charset is equal to UTF-8. This is very important. So in our code right here, immediately, as you can see, inside our metadata that I'm trying to specify right here, we can just put charset here. Let me show you how this works. You can put UTF-8. UTF-8. Let me see how this is looking right here. As you can see, this one is having capital letter. You can place capital letter and small letter, but I prefer small letter right here. But you can, most people use capital letter for the UTF-8, but it's very advisable when you are writing code, you should use what? Small letter. So I won't use capital letter, I will use small letter, so that my document can look neat. And also, firstly, add meta charset again. In case you are writing metadata, firstly add your meta charset. Charset is equal to charset. Add that also. Add that also. It can be useful. So, and save your document. As you can see, our document is looking nice. And if you like, you can omit this and have your UTF-8. Depends. So everything has benefits, but metadata is very useful when you are writing your HTML code. That's what I'm trying to show you right here. And to the next, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.